What would you create on 72 plus acres at the base of the Blue Ridge Mountains? A private luxury retreat, an equestrian haven, or the Southeast's next iconic event destination? This extraordinary North Carolina estate offers the rare opportunity to do all three. Soaring 20-foot ceilings, rich architectural details, and 3 spacious ensuite bedrooms. A gourmet kitchen anchors the home, flowing effortlessly into open living spaces ideal for entertaining. A charming breezeway connects to a separate guest house, creating a private compound feel perfect for hosting family, friends, or VIP visitors. Step outside and the lifestyle expands. A resort-style pool and hot tub overlook sweeping pastures, while 2 covered pavilions and expansive terraces provide unforgettable spaces for sunset gatherings. Thoughtfully placed lighting across the grounds enhances evening ambiance, transforming the estate into a glowing mountain sanctuary after dark. Beyond the main residence, versatility defines this property. Multiple guest cabins create a boutique resort atmosphere. A 16-bay vintage-style garage caters to collectors, while a motorcoach-ready storage building offers potential conversion into premium equestrian facilities. An impressive event center elevates the estate even further, complete with a ballroom, bar, prep kitchen, and outdoor pavilion. Above it, a private guest apartment or bridal suite adds convenience and elegance for weddings or exclusive retreats. Whether envisioned as a luxury homestead, income-producing venue, or equestrian masterpiece, this gated Blue Ridge estate delivers scale, sophistication, and limitless possibility in one breathtaking package.